大家好，今天我们一起来学习几个数字，a few numbers。第一个数字 ，first number we learn is 零，零 is zero. We have 零食，零食，零 is zero, 十 is food, 零食 is zero food, small piece food, very small tiny bit food. That is snacks. 零食 snacks. 你喜欢吃零食吗？你喜欢吃什么零食？你喜欢吃甜的零食还是辣的零食？我喜欢吃薯片和巧克力。你呢？你喜欢吃什么零食？零 zero。今年 this year， 今年是2025年。今年是2025年 2025 year 2025年 zero 零 okay. Next one we're gonna learn is 一 when you talk about numbers like phone number or room number, when you want to get people's attention, you want them to hear this clearly, you say 幺 instead. For example, when the room number is 301, if your room number is 301, you say 301. 301. The reason is 幺 sounds harder than 一. This pronunciation is too light. Okay, if you say 一, people may just omit it. You just ignore it. It's too short, too light. You hear the sound 一 is too short, too light. But the 幺 instead sounds harsh, sounds heavy. Okay, sounds hard. So 幺 is easier for you to catch it. When you say 幺, people can catch it easily. So when you say some special numbers, room numbers, phone numbers, you say 幺 instead. Now, if you say your phone number is 1801, 1801, how do you say it? Then you say 1801, 1801. Okay, so 幺 is easier for people to hear. You say 幺 when you say important numbers. Okay, next one is number 6. 666. Number 6 is 6. 6 is a good number for Chinese culture. When you hear people say 666, it means you are doing something awesome. You are amazing. But in Western culture, it means devil or devil's number, right? So we have a very different culture here. It's 6, 666. It's good number. You are awesome. When people text to you, they send you text message, you see this 666, 666. And don't get confused, okay? It means you are cool, you are amazing, you are awesome. 666. 666. So 6 is good number. Okay. Next number I want to talk about is number 8. It's a 8. 8 is 8. Is good number. In Cantonese, it means wealthy or get wealthy, get rich. I have a student from abroad, from Singapore. So one day he traveled to China and lived in a hotel, and his hotel room is on the 7th floor. His room number is 8701. So he got confused why his floor was 7, but his room number, the first digit, is 8. 8701. He asked me. Then I told him it's because the first digit 8 stands for you get wealthy, get rich. Okay, so 8701. 8701. 八 means get wealthy. 七 is your floor. You are on the 7th floor. Okay, that is the reason. So 8 can be for you to get rich. Okay, so 八 is a very good number, lucky, wealthy number. Okay, next number is 18. 18, 18. 18. Maybe you wonder why this number is so different. Okay, this number has something to do with the hell, the Chinese hell. In Western culture, you have hell, and in Chinese culture, we have something similar. We have Chinese hell. And for this hell, the Chinese hell, we have 18 floors. 18 floors. For each crime you committed, you go to one floor, like floor 1, floor 2, floor 3. And the lowest floor is 18th floor. Lowest floor is 18th floor, and you committed very big crimes, you go there. Okay, when people committed very huge crimes, they will end up to the 18th hell, 18th floor. So 18th, 18 is very, very bad for buildings. My brother, he just bought a apartment. In that building, they try to avoid this 18th. So they didn't say on the elevator, it didn't say 18th, it didn't say 18. Instead, they say 17 with a plus. Avoid saying this number 18 because 18 doesn't sound good. It sounds like you are going to hell. If you put 18 there on the elevator, on the panel, if you say, oh, I'm going to the 18th floor, people say, oh, that is so bad. You're going to hell. Okay, that is a really bad number for our culture. There's no 18th floor for the buildings. Okay, that is today's stories about numbers. Okay, we learned some funny number stories. I hope you enjoy it and learn something from it. I will see you next time. 再见，拜拜。